Today we're talking about rate of change, which is also known as slope. So if they ask for slope in any kind of this situation, it's exactly the same as what we're talking about. We're just going to call it rate of change. Rate of change is almost always represented by delta y over delta x. That's the change in y over the change in x. When we have to find it from a table, what we do is look at our values on our table and see how far we have to move. From a negative 99 to a negative 95, that's a plus 4. From a negative 95 to a negative 91, that is also a plus 4. This gives me, since this is my y side, that gives me my change in y, which is 4. Now, I'm going to find my change in x. From 56 to 54 is a minus 2. From 54 to 52 is a minus 2 as well. So my change in x is a negative 2. This would normally be where I would stop. I would leave that as a fraction, but I can reduce this, and I can see that 4 divided by negative 2 means my rate of change, or slope, is going to be a negative 2. On this side, from a negative 1 to a 1 is going to be a change of 2. And this one is wrong on the paper. That's why I wrote this one down. This 4 on your paper should be a 3. From a 1 to a 3 is going to be another change of 2. From 7 to 9 is a change of 2. From 9 to 11 is a change of 2. You'll notice they don't start at the same place, but all I have to do is put my change in y, which is 2, over my change in x, which is also 2. 2 divided by 2 means my rate of change in this one is 1. If they give you an equation to find the rate of change, it's very simple. If the y is by itself, all you have to do is look at the number in front of x. This coefficient here is my rate of change. So the rate of change in this first one is 1/5. The rate of change in this one, even though the y is at the end, would be 4/7. The only time it's different is when you have one that is like this. This is in what we call standard form. So we have to subtract the 3x. We're going to get the y by itself. 15 and 3x are not like terms, so we have 6y is equal to 15 minus 3x. We're going to divide by 6, so we divide everything on this side by 6. Now the important part, again, since this will make the y by itself, all I really have to figure out is this right here, a negative 3 divided by 6. That's going to reduce, and since this minus sign is here, I have to put this with this rate of change. So that's going to be a negative 1/2 in front of x, which means my rate of change for this equation is negative 1/2.